Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got Lottie in the studio and she's wanting to do a bit of an update on her portfolio because she kind of wants to change the direction that she's going and not do so much e-commerce, get more into fashion. So she's picked out some photos, some reference shots of what she wants to do today, and Peter's going to take it from there.
So today I'm shooting with Lottie. We're rebranding her. She's sick and tired of doing e-commerce and wants to put herself out. So the type of work she wants to get is the type of work that she's going to put onto her Instagram and on her Folio. So she's picked out the sort of looks that she wants and we're just building her new shoots based on that. I've pre-set up the background. I've got two heads into V-flats to fill this area out here evenly. I'm only starting with this because someone actually asked me, can you light full length with a beauty dish? And I said, yeah, you can, but you can't. It's harder to do it with a grid. So I've decided to put a grid on. But I'm only going to shoot Lottie down sort of about to there on her legs anyway. And I want to have a contrasty look. So I'm just going to start off this way. It might fail badly, and then you'll see what I do if it fails. I'll find another way. Once I've set up, I'll put a dot on the ground so Lottie knows where she needs to be. So I'm just thinking out loud. I actually really like that, but that's not what I was going for. No, I think that's fine. What I'm going to do I'm going to pull this back a little bit further to try and get this grid to spread a bit more. I'm happy with that. I think that's right on the edge. Yeah, it is. Really happy with that. Lottie wanted the contrasty shot. So jump back in on your spot, cool. It's definitely giving me a darker on this side of the face, and that's what I wanted. I want that nice edginess. I'm liking everything about this. Just move the light a little bit. And the reason I moved the light was to see if it was better or worse, and I like it better. I moved it a small amount so I could then judge myself. Did it improve the picture in my eyes or make it worse? And I think it improved it. I'm actually liking this a lot. All right, so now I've got to there. Let's make it in my pictures because I want to make her a bit chromier and a little bit contrasty. Right, so I'm adding contrast, but I'm just protecting my shadows at the same time. Do you want to come have a look?
I like it already.
Yeah, I like it already.
Yeah, I like it.
So you're happy with what so this is the adjustment layer, and then you like that?
Yeah, that's cool.
All right, cool.
I like it.
Awesome. So I'm gonna turn off the blue while we shoot. This is now, for you to go that next level, you can't e-commerce.
Yeah.
You need to be more like a Candace. So any of those supermodels that have that beautiful drift, and you've got to remember, if you're an e-commerce model, it's all about your body. Yeah. You might as well have a bag on your head. If you want to be someone on shop windows or for covers of magazines, not there's many anymore, billboards, it's your face. So it's your look, it's your expressions, all right? Yeah. Because you need the women out there to go, I want what she's having. Yeah. Cool. Stunning. Right, so this is very e-com. Can you already feel this? This is teaching, so don't get wrong. So watch this. We're just going to shoot for a minute. Right. This is what we call the Macarena. She has this little dance that she's doing. So this is, I find, the best way to get that model to that next extreme. What I'm in now is video. So with video, the best thing with video, cool, just drift it around. Keep a continual drift, cool. Keep a thought, yeah, a look away refresh. Every now and then you do need to look away. You need to look away, completely reset. And even a closed eye, when you look away, feel how that just drains out of your face. Cool. Now, have I told you about touching?
I don't think so, remind me.
So if you just draw a little circle on your arm, just try it now, as slow as you can, see how you can't think? It's impossible, isn't it? Now, if you just continue that anywhere, it'll just relax you. But try and keep it really slow motion. Because if you move your head from there to there slowly, you'll feel everything. If you just move it, you don't feel anything.
Yeah.
Off you go. It's really cool. Nice. That's better. You felt that feeling when you looked back into the camera then? That's what modeling is there. You notice now you can actually feel your expressions. That's nice. Lady fingers.
Yeah.
Really lady fingers, sides of hands. Yeah, try and keep it, try not to be completely back of hands or fronts of hands. All right, so now I've done 2 seconds of training. Cool, cool. Don't wait for me, just keep the drift, keep going. This has got to be a video. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Cool. Cool. That's really cool. Keep the drift. She's still waiting for me a little bit. So what feel are you trying to put across now?
High fashion?
High fashion? Yeah, but high fashion or beauty or...
I don't know.
All right, so see how you don't know? Elongate a little bit of attitude. Yeah, see how you just change your feet, all right? This is why I'm saying, I just felt that you need to, whatever you do with your feet, it's gonna, and especially if you come up onto the balls of your feet, see the attitude you get instantly.
Yeah.
So cool. That's cool, that's so much nicer. That's really cool. Awesome, awesome, keep the drift. So it's a little bit like ecom not stopping. So it's a continual movement, so you're letting me find the shots. Make it stronger. Nice. Do you want to have a look at a couple of shots we've done, and then you can decide. They're cool?
Yeah. I need to sort my bloody hands out though.
Your hands are a bit awkward. That's why I want you to have a look. And the touching thing's cool,
Yeah.
but the claw of death, if I say this, it's
Yeah.
going to sink in.
Yeah.
Right? You've got to learn how to do beautiful, mannequin hands. Mannequin hands are always bent.
Yeah.
All I'm doing is just showing Lottie quickly the way I would like to see her moving. And if you just watch, you watch, there's no editing. See her continually drifting, see the touch. Then she'll look away, she'll reset and comes back in with the eyes.
Yeah.
So you'll see continuous, she'll look away, she'll reset and then come back in with the eyes.
Yeah.
Right? You can see she's got her own thoughts in her head. You'll have your own thoughts in your head. And she's using this, a lot of her touching's on the sheets. See, because as soon as you get any sensation on your fingertips, it'll make you feel something.
Yeah.
Cool?
Yeah, cool.
All right. But I don't want you thinking too much about your hands. See, those hands are fine there, that's fine there, that's fine there. So a commercial company would definitely use that. I know you hate it a bit, but you've seen this in CAD campaigns, haven't you?
Yeah.
Right. Whatever you do, don't question. Confidence, just go out there. And if anything, go further than you think you should be going. Keep the drift, stop stopping. That's better. That's better, that's much better, cool. Now, come up with the story. Who are you looking at? Who are you selling this stuff for? Cool. That's pretty, that's really pretty. Cool. And don't be scared to get a nice shape that you're really feeling and just go bang, 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 bang. Just work that shape a little bit. And slow that movement, especially your face down. The more you slow it down, the more you'll feel. Cool, that's really cool. That's cool, Lottie. Nice. Keep drifting, keep drifting. Just try not to get that. The only problem that's going to happen now is all the e-com shooters are going to hate you because you won't stop for them. You're just going to have to find 2 different ways to model. One for the e-com and one for covers and you liking?
Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
You happy with this? You think we can get better? That's all right.
so.
No, I prefer that. I love it when models go, yeah, I'm liking it, but I can do better.
Yeah.
Let's do one last little batch. As I say, let's create a hero shot. Let's get that cover shot, cool. And it's a whole... Can you imagine Adriana Lima going into a photo shoot? She's going to be standing there. I am this shit, isn't she? Yeah. Right, so you have to do the same. You have to have that confidence. You already know you're cool. That's cool. Nice, 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 nice. Beautiful. Keep the drift. Beautiful. Nice. That's cool. I like that. That look away was actually really nice. There. Cool. Nice. That's really cool. Cool. I'm certain she's got something.
I
You reckon?
Yeah. I think so.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you do want to see the rest of this shoot that we couldn't put on YouTube, head over to Inspire. There'll be a link in the description and you can watch the rest of it there.